Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Disney Dooney and Bourke unboxing. So basically it's like a brand that does designer bags and they have like a little subsection for Disney. Usually you get these purses or handbags at the actual parks themselves. I've never been to Disney World or Disneyland, which is the saddest thing. I hope to go soon. I did pick up one of their limited edition bags from the dogs collection, which is basically a print that shows some of the really popular Disney dogs from the films and the shows. So I'm gonna open this up. I didn't get the giant size, the tote bag, even though I do have Princess Tiana in that size of a bag. I've never actually done a whole video for that. I think I had originally planned on it and then I got impatient. So today we're doing this one. So we have the invoice and then some like commercial stuff. And then the tissue paper itself is always really pretty. It has like all the princesses on it. And then here's the actual bag. Ooh. My bad. So the placement of the actual characters is always going to be different no matter what bag you get, which is why it's kind of better to purchase them in person to pick out the right print or to pick out the proper placement. But this one's not bad. We have Lady and the Tramp front and center, which is nice. Pluto's here. Let me turn it around. We have Doug from Up. I love Doug. Okay, so that makes me feel better. I kind of wish the Dalmatians weren't cut off, like they're decapitated right there. But overall, I am really happy with it. I thought it was adorable. I think it's really cute. These are kind of like a little bit pricey, but if you're into like designer handbags and this is on the lower end of the spectrum, do you know what I mean? I would say this is probably one of the more expensive bags that I have, but I am not complaining because I love the print and I get good use out of these. Even the Princess Tiana tote bag that I just showed you is a bag that I use quite often. I wish I had gotten this print in that size, but unfortunately it's sold out before I could even try. So yeah, I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it's adorable. I'm happy with it. What do you guys think? Pretty cute. The only complaint I have with this type of thing is that it hangs quite low, even for a crossbody bag. I'm pretty short and I saw someone do a video who was like, what, 5'7", and even she had a problem with this being too long. So that kind of says something. If someone that tall, or that's tall for me because I'm really short, but if someone at that height is complaining about the straps being too long, I can only imagine what someone like me at 5 feet is gonna feel. It definitely hangs a little bit too low for me, but you can always get it fixed. I know people said it might mess with the initial stitching straight down the middle, but if it means having a better length on my body, then I might just do it. Let me know if you guys purchased this bag and if you've experienced the same problem, or if you've ever purchased any bags from this line. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.